Trading Psychology, video number 5. Today's citation of Ivan Biaggi is: never trust a trading guru who claims to have all the answers. So Ivan Biaggi is telling you that you should not trust a trading guru that has all the answers. It is below the truth. The truth is you should never I think you should not even listen to a trading guru, especially not if he has all the answers. But even if he does not have all the answers, you should not listen to other people. So to any guru, to anyone who claims to teach you stuff about trading. Trading is a personal endeavor between you and the market. You'll tell me, but I'm listening to you. So how can you accept that I'm listening to you but not to other traders? Well, my approach is differently. I'm just talking right now about trading psychology, and before that I tried to teach you something about Elliott wave, but at the end it's just orienting you in the right direction. The work that you have to accomplish in order to become a master trader is entirely up to you. And trading is something special between you and the market. And the thing is that most traders are bad traders. They lose money constantly. They lose how do you say it in English? Consistently money. And you have to be a consistently successful trader. So they do the opposite what is necessary. And because they are so bad in the market, they take time talking to you people and explaining stuff to you, because it is easier to scam you out of your money than to make money in the market. And most of them have nothing to teach you, nothing of any value. So you should not listen to anybody else. I sometimes take a brief look at somebody because he just posted a video and the title is interesting, but every time I do, I regret it straight away. So for trading, since it's something personal between you and the market, you have to do three things. You have to be psychologically up to the level that requires some philosophy about life in general. I have a site where I post my philosophic work, because I'm also a philosophic writer. I'm just right now, my last book is being proofread, and once the work is done, it will be up for download on Amazon, so you can buy the book. And on that site, where did create a site about philosophy, you have a link on that site where you can download all the books that are really important. All the books that I put were from Seneca, because it's the most important philosopher that I know about Stoicism. And you can download them directly from my site, free from charge. So that's the first thing is philosophy. The second thing is risk management. So risk management, I don't have a good book to recommend to you because I never did read a good book. I just heard some stuff here and there about risk management. The most important thing to remember is that you should never risk more than you can lose, than you can afford to lose on one single trade. But in detail, I can't resume it to you, and I haven't written a book about it, and I have not read also a book about it. So it's a bit hard to me to recommend you risk management. And the last thing is your system. So for me, it's Elliott wave, and it's in my opinion the best system you can use. And there are books you can download, a lot of books. The best one is from Robert Prechter. And he has also made a video series, some DVDs that you can buy and watch. But you just have to learn Elliott Wave. There are a lot of explanation online, and there are a lot of videos, and there are a lot of books you can read about that. So that's the most important thing. So it's between you and the market. And if you don't want to do all the work, then somebody has to trade for you. So I actually would do it, but it's a bit more complicated in detail because we have to sign a contract, and there must be some I must get some remuneration. How do you say it? Some my fees must be counted because I won't work for free. So it's a bit complicated to do it in detail, but either you trade and then you have to learn this, then you have to learn it yourself, or somebody else has to do it for you. Since I don't know you in person and we can talk about it and you can sign a contract because I don't see you, we have to say we still could, but I have to say to send it to you per email, and you have to sign it and then send it back to me. It's a bit complicated, you know. And then I have to sign it, so it's not that easy. But either you do it yourself or somebody else does it for you. Be careful when you ask somebody else to do it, because most of the traders are extremely bad and they only will use your money. Most of them, even the biggest gurus, have no clue about the market and they can't survive in the market. So you should be extremely skeptic, you should not trust what people say. For me, it's easy to tell you where they are wrong, and they are always wrong. But for you, it's hard to get it if you're not an expert yourself. So be careful. It's a danger zone. Don't listen to Go as Ivan Prechter told you. No, what do I say? As Ivan Bianchi told you. Don't listen to gurus. Just learn your stuff and do it yourself, or ask somebody to trade for you, but it must be a good trader and somebody you're sure that won't lose all your money. And most of the people will simply lose all your money or have a very bad return, ROI, return on investment. So it's a hard stuff. It's not an easy thing. You know, making money, it's not something you'll do easily without thinking and without any problems. It's something extremely hard to do, and there's a reason why only 1% of the people make money and 99% of the people lose money. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye. And take a look at the scenery. I'll give you a couple of minutes to look at the scenery. Okay, that's been done. Don't forget to subscribe and like if you can. And I'll see you tomorrow for one more trading psychology video. Bye bye.